Going down a waterfall is the most in touch with you'll ever be with being in the moment. You know, you're surrounded by everything's moving, everything's dynamic, and you are the only thing that's stable in the entire world. You're going down, you're on a rope, the whole world is crushing around you, it's just rushing around you, it's full of sound, and it's you in the waterfall. It's an indescribable feeling because it's like the storm is all around you, and you're the only place of calm, and you've got to maintain that calm, or else it's easy to lose it, you know, your concept and your grip on reality, because it's going to be real easy. But it's just amazing. It's the most incredible feeling in the world. Don't let go of the rope. Remember to find balance. It's very much like yoga. It's sort of a Zen thing because you've got all these forces. You've got gravity pulling you down. You got water pushing you to the right and to the left. And your whole job is to cool and center yourself so that you can find focus. And just focus on the moment and focus on the balance. Balancing all the forces all around you. And that includes balancing all the forces in your head. I've probably rappelled a waterfall thousands of times, but every time somebody does it for the first time, you relive that feeling all over again. It's cool. It's a mind-blowing experience for them, and you get to relive it all over again because you know exactly how they're feeling and the excitement, and it's indescribable.
Yeah, I'm in the middle of a waterfall. That was pretty good. I want to do it again.